Hello everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate your time and I always enjoy doing these videos, and today especially I'm a little excited because I'm doing my first ever A Crafter's Story giveaway. I'm really trying to do a bit of a spring clean, a little bit of a reset on some of the work that I've done, and I feel that it's time to send some of the stuff to a new home. And so I've made up a little package which I'm going to send off to a lucky winner. I have 3 of them, so there'll be 3 lucky winners, and I hope that I'm able to send these off to a new home. So let me just explain to you how I think it is best, that I think it might work. Is that if you like or no, we'll have to comment because I'll have to be able to see your name. So if you comment on this video, just you know, even if you just put an emoji like a little heart, or if you put a nice little sentiment, which of course I always appreciate, I will know who you are and I'll be able to contact you. If you are the winner, I'm going to put all those contact people's name in a little container, and in another video I will pull those names out, and hopefully we have 3 winners. So I'm hoping this works. I'm excited to send all these goodies off to a new home. So let me show you what they are. There's 3 packs and each pack has the same quantity in them and same goodies in them. They just differ slightly in the design. So I've got some of my handmade beads, and there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 handmade beads in here. So that is what everybody will get. All 3 of the winners will get one of those little packets. And then I have some of my watercolor paintings, and it's just a little oversized stamp that I stamped on as well, and did some watercolor on. So one of those. This is a tag that I made some time back. This is a little what would you call these, little goodie? I can't think of what it is right now, but one of these guys, more of, this is a great big piece of art that I did, and then I cut little squares, so each of the packs will have a piece from that bigger piece in there. That one. More, this was some of my food coloring art that I did, just a plain little piece, food coloring art again, that you'll get. These 2 little pieces, if you frame them, could go together because the coloring is so similar, but this is 2 little art pieces if you want to frame them or use them as artist trading cards or journaling cards. There's those 2 little guys. These are little books that I made and just never got round to using, and there are going to be 3 in each of the packs. So this is paper from a butterwick clothing pattern that I covered it in, and then there is just some random little junk mail type papers inside. That one. This is handmade paper that I made quite a while ago, and made a little book out of some of that same paper. So these could be nice little journals, the start of a journal for you. You can embellish inside, and you know, put a little ribbon in here. These are tea bags actually that I dyed in food coloring and made a cover out of. So that is that little guy, and some papers inside. Okay, here are 2 sheets of my hand eco dyed paper. So you get these originals, they are not prints. So this is what came out of my pot off my stove. And then also, I think there's 6, was it 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of my handmade paper. So this is paper that I made. It's pretty thick. This is when I first started making paper, so it is nice for collage. It's nice to cut up, maybe make into little tags. So you each going to get 4 pieces, and I'll do a quick little run through of the other two kits just so you see. I'll do that one. Here is the beads, the oversized stamp, the tag, the label. Label. It's a label. It's a label. A piece of that art, the food coloring art, those two pieces of art, the 3 little books that you can then work on, more of the original hand dyed paper and handmade paper. So there's that one, and then the last one, beads, oversized stamp, the tag, the label, art, food coloring art, those two pieces that you could probably actually frame. I think they would look really nice in a frame. And then you have your 3 little books and the eco-dyed paper, and then the handmade paper. So okay, so those are going to be the 3 packs that I am hoping will go to 3 wonderful crafters who are you guys can obviously play with these, do whatever you want with these. I hope that you share with me what you do with what you decide to do with it. But everything's falling over the place. I was trying to get everything together here, but I don't know, it just doesn't quite want to work. Okay, so if you would love one of these packs, please comment below, and you then become a contender to win one of these packs, and I'm able to send these off to somebody who I know is going to love it and put all these goodies to good use. All right, you guys, thank you so much for sticking around. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and of course comment, because this is a competition, giveaway, and I will see you next time. Bye.